Did you know that letta.corporation, the channel that you're currently watching with over 11,000 subscribers, is not the first channel that I've ever created? Because maybe you see the channel, see, oh, this guy has a lot of subscribers, a lot of views, maybe you think that, and maybe you go to my first videos and you say, well, okay, the thumbnails are not that bad, the content itself is not that bad, so it doesn't seem that this guy is his first YouTube channel. He must have some previous experience. And this is actually maybe the secret that lots of content creators have, because maybe you go to their channels and maybe they only have 1 or 2 years and they have like a lot of subscribers and views, and maybe you do start your own YouTube channel and you see lots of problems like, how do I create my thumbnails? They don't look good. I'm getting no views. So you may just look at this, okay, but this guy has only let's say 2 years on YouTube and he has something like 11,000 subscribers. But the secret of me, and well, not secret, but the thing that is hidden to most people's eyes, is the fact that me and lots of other content creators, these are not our first YouTube channels. We have previous experience in YouTube or in other platforms, and this is maybe one of the many YouTube channels that we have or had in the past. In my case, okay, this is the YouTube channel that I've been dedicating like a lot of time. I would say mostly a lot of time, like the only channel and the main stuff for the past year. Well, not the main stuff because it's not my only job, of course, but it's one of the many projects that I have in which I dedicate a lot of time. But previously, what I had was this other YouTube channel called Minecraft, okay? This was a channel in Spanish, okay? Which is my mother tongue, basically. That, as you can see, is not that small. It has over 6.2 subscribers, and I think I haven't uploaded here stuff for over 2 years or 1 year and a half, something like that, consistently. And as you can see, all the content was about Minecraft, okay? This was the game that I was really, well, not really good at, but I really enjoyed kind of creating farms over there, actually making the most out of the resources that Minecraft offered, okay? It was called something like Technical Minecraft or something like that. I know the literal translation to English, but you understand that style of playing, of trying to make the most of the game resources, trying to make as many farms and make them as efficient as possible. So you understand where this was all going. And here, well, of course, the first videos, these were pretty awful, okay? The thumbnails were awful. How I talked was awful, okay? And it was even made on my mother tongue, because if you go to the first videos in letta.corporation, you will see that my first videos were kind of like the speech was not like the way in which I talk was not the best one. I was speaking like super slow, but well, it is English is not my mother tongue. Of course, throughout the years and as studying English more and as creating more videos, I was able to kind of level it up a little bit more, and now how I talk, I believe, is much better than the first videos. But here I was talking in my mother tongue, and it was still quite difficult for me, of course. But anyway, I did start as anybody else, basically, like with no experience, with no equipment, because the PC that I was using at that moment, lots of the parts of that PC were from my grandpa. So I just bought like a new CPU, a new graphics card, or whatever I could in order to make Minecraft and different softwares work. But it was quite basic, quite cheap. And even due to the fact that I was quite limited, okay, I was able to kind of build from there. As videos went by, okay, I was able to make kind of better thumbnails, I believe, as time went by, a different type of content, and just started to grow. If we compare like these thumbnails, okay, I believe they're still not good thumbnails, but anyway, they are much better than how everything started out. And even if you go to the latest videos that I had there uploaded, they weren't that bad, okay, I believe. Of course, the style is quite different from what you see in game development, but well, if you're in the gaming industry as well, you may see that these thumbnails are not that bad, and actually the videos were not performing that bad, at least the last ones that I uploaded. But anyway, the main message of this is that you may see me or other content creators having lots of subscribers, lots of views, and you may think that they built this from the night to the day, or just that one is the only YouTube channel that they have ever had. And in lots of cases it could be the case, but at least on my case and in other people's cases, it is not the correct answer. The correct answer is that we have had many YouTube channels. We have to upload many YouTube videos. As you can see, this channel has more than 300 videos. So throughout all these videos, I have been able to learn a lot that then I applied to Letta.corporation that has something like 100 videos. So as you can see, it's a journey of always uploading content, of learning from it, and in order to make it better. So it is not something that you build from night to day. It is quite complicated to monetize all this content, because one of the reasons why I quit doing this because I was getting a little bit older and I wasn't enjoying playing Minecraft that much. And on top of that, it was quite complicated to monetize the content actually. And it's also a struggle that I have right now with letta.corporation. And not only a struggle that I have, but even YouTubers with 50k, 100k subscribers have. So it is quite complicated that you actually can make out a living from just creating YouTube content, but it's something that can actually help you boost your professional profile, because you can go to any company, okay, and say, okay, yes, I do have, for example, game development experience, but I'm also a game development content creator with 10,000 subscribers and 3 million views. And when they go to your YouTube channel, they're going to be finding lots of things that you have done and lots of skills that you have gained throughout of it. I've even been able to sell my skills as a content creator and help other brands and clients do the same thing that I've done on my YouTube channel. So that is kind of like the hidden value of it. Because thanks to YouTube, I've been able to apply for jobs that I have never thought of being able to apply for. I have been able to work with clients and companies that I never ever thought of collaborating with, such as Zelda. So well, I did want to point out all those things. So anyway, let me know what you think and I will read you in the comments down below.